Once we are logged into our AWS account, we will search for and select the EC2 service. Next, we can select instances from the menu list. Now, we can select our running EC2 instance and click on the Connect option. We will use the terminal to log in to your AWS EC2 instance. AWS CLI is installed on Amazon Linux, and we can verify the current version. Next, we need to configure our CLI. Here, we can enter our access key, secret key, default region name, and default output format. To verify our configuration, we can run the following command. Create a new bucket. List our buckets. Upload a file into your bucket. You can download certain files from the S3 bucket to your local system. We can also easily remove any file from our S3 by using AWS CLI. Create a new directory for our EC2 user. Next, we can create a new file in that directory. Place some simple content in that file. Now, we can sync the content of our local directory to our S3 bucket. We can create a new local file inside of our S3CONTENT directory. Place some simple content in that file. Remove the first file named file1.txt. Adding the delete flag option will synchronize the contents of the local directory to the S3 bucket. We can verify that the changes are reflected properly. We can verify that the changes are reflected properly. We also need to save the changes so that the policy will allow public access. First, we can create a new file called policy.json. Here, you can paste the following code. You can apply this bucket policy via the S3 API. We can run the curl command to make sure we can fetch specific files. We can create a new bucket that will serve for backup purposes. Create a new file called backup.json. Here, paste the following code. Add execute permissions to our backup file. We need to install and enable crontab. Now we can run our cron command. Confirm our cron job by running the cron tab command.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.